Hey everyone, I'm here today to break down a topic that's been buzzing around but often isn't fully explained: buying property using credit cards. Trust me, it's not as straightforward as swiping your card at a local store. Let's dive into how this actually works. The key concept here is liquidation. This doesn't mean melting your credit card down for scrap. It means transferring the funds from your credit card into a checking account, which you can then use to fund your property purchase. So, how do we mix our funding sources? Think of it like a recipe. The big ingredients, like banks or hard money lenders, will usually cover about 70 to 90% of the property cost. The smaller yet crucial spice, our credit cards, can cover the remaining 10 to 30% for the down payment. Let's run through an example. Say you're eyeing a house that costs $100,000. Big funding could cover 80%, which is $80,000. Your credit cards would then step in to cover the remaining 20%. That's $20,000. Now, obtaining these credit card funds isn't as simple as filling up a shopping cart. You'll need to strategically apply for credit cards from banks like Chase, KeyBank, and others to gather enough for your down payment. On to liquidating. There are a few tricks here. One popular method is the invoice play. Business owners can send each other invoices to liquidate funds. Essentially, you pay an invoice with your card and later get a refund. Another method is a balance transfer, where some banks allow you to directly transfer credit card funds to your checking account. A few practical tips: always vet the business owner if you're using the invoice method to avoid freezes on your account. Test with smaller transactions if you're invoicing yourself. Also, make sure to check with banks about any fees for balance transfers. Services like Plastiq can also come in handy for additional liquidation options. To wrap it up, we've gone beyond those short clips and posts on social media to give you a full picture of how you can use credit cards to invest in real estate. If you found this insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more detailed videos on my channel. See you next time.